take my rear window out, all because I didn't put this real seal inside the window, but the whole door is actually on. I just keep forgetting to put the seal inside the door and getting all wet up, so let me just hurry up and put this back window back in here. That strip in there now, so now I can go ahead and put the back window in, and I'm gonna have to take the door panel off the front because I forgot to put this little stripping inside of that door too, so let me just still hurry up. I'm getting all wet up. Alright, so I finally put the bracket back on there. It was a bracket right up in there and just one right here, so the window nice and tight, and the weather seal is in the inside now. Got a door lock, so we should be good for today, because it was raining like crazy out here. So I'm going ahead and wrap this up.